Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to check your YouTube banner dimensions and safe zones for TV, desktop, and mobile. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, open the YouTube banner size checker tool using the link I've added in the description box. Once the tool opens, you will see a box that says click or drag banner image here. The optimal recommended size for a full banner is 2560 by 1440 pixels. Simply upload your custom banner artwork. If your file happens to be below YouTube's absolute minimum constraints, the tool will instantly show you a helpful warning notice explaining that your uploaded dimensions are too small, along with the precise requirements needed to fix it. Once your qualifying image loads, it generates an interactive multi-device layout blueprint. Right on top of your graphic, you will see color-coded visual overlays indicating the exact dimensions for each platform. The inner central block marks the mobile/safe area at 1546 by 423 pixels, ensuring everything inside this box is visible on all devices. Expanding outwards, you can clearly check the extended regions designated for tablet, views at 1855 by 423 pixels, and desktop max, layouts at 2560 by 423 pixels. The background canvas behind these boundaries represents the full scale shown to viewers watching on a TV.